for this.
Hi friends, I've got my awesome, cool, very knowledgeable brother Clay here with me. And Clay, do you take Plexus?
I do not.
No? But have you been checking out the ingredients that are in it?
Yeah. I was curious yesterday or the day before. I was curious as to why, what's in it, what could be causing people to be getting good results. I want to know what the ingredients were. One of them being the xylo-oligosaccharides. I think you said it right. I think it's a prebiotic, if I remember right. It's either pro or prebiotic. So it's either like fibrous or anyway. And the other one was chromium.
Percolate?
Percolate, yeah.
I think that's right. All right, so we are going to do a scientific experiment, and he's actually writing down the names of these probiotics so that we can show you what happens. So we are testing them against the ProBio 5 by Plexus. And what we've got here, these both came out of the refrigerator. Okay, so first we've got the Floragene. So it helps with antibiotic side effects. So there's that. And then we've got the Ultra Flora Spectrum. And what did we say? This one had 30 billion CFU.
So that's just how well it's been allowed to proliferate. But this one also has the widest range of bacterium or probiotics.
And this one has 15 billion. Okay.
So I feel like this one's going to do, other than the control, I think this one's just hypothesizing this one's going to do the least best. This one's going to do the middle. And based on the enzymes in the ProBio 5, I feel like it's going to do the best because it has 3 different enzymes: protease, cellulase, and serrapeptase. And so those break down proteins, especially the protease and serrapeptase.
So basically the enzyme is useful in this probiotic because it breaks down the hard outer shell of the candida, which is a yeast, which is also a fungus. And it also has antifungal properties, which is the grape seed extract, which is able to kill the candida. So Clay, take it away. Go ahead and mix these up.
I didn't see that.
What?
About the description on how candida works and stuff.
Oh, that's what I've learned from, watching videos and my studies there.
Fair.
Okay,
Yeah,
so we're going to do one of each.
Serving size one. So let's just serving size one. So let's do one each.
Okay. And guys, we encourage you to do this with your probiotics. I just want to let you know, if you do want to try any of the Plexus products, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you are unhappy with your products for any reason, you send them back, or actually you can send them back your empty bottle, and they will give you your money back. So making sure not to lose any of that. Which one did you do first? The Flora?
Floragene.
Okay. So you're going to mix it all up in there. Okay, so this one is the control, which means what, Clay?
So whenever doing any kind of experimentation, it's best to have like a placebo or one that isn't having. You might ask, well, what if we did nothing? What would it be like? So, this is where it starts.
Oh, so it does have kind of a...
It does have some body to it.
Oh, you know what? Some of these were already starting to do the work because they were kind of thinning out a little bit when I did a little dumpage. All right, so we are going to allow these to set for, we're going to let it set for a little bit. Which one's that? Probiotics?
I'm starting to get a little...
It's starting to pour.
ProBio 5.
Okay. All right, so we're going to let all of these set for a bit, guys, and we're going to come back to them and see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, we're going to let this set.
Enzymes break things down.
He even knew before, just because he's so smart, Okay, so let's take a look.
Wow.
right, bring it over here. Okay, all right, so.
This is your poo on drugs.
Yes. All right, so start with the controlled. I guess we'll slowly take them out.
We didn't put the names out. So we don't
no.
control.
Yeah, okay, so it's just that one.
I'm just going to put them in order once we know what order they're going.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
So this is control.
This is control. Okay, so this is just regular pudding right here. All right, and then that one's this one.
Yeah, the flow jet.
And then this one is that one.
Ultra Flora.
You definitely know which one is this one. Okay.
Like chocolate water.
Okay, so here you go. All right. So, did anything happen with the?
Well, it's the control. I mean, this is what would happen if you did nothing. And you can see.
Not really. Very gelatinous. Okay, there you go. Now it's coming out. Okay, so that's regular yummy pudding.
Kind of the same here. Maybe slightly looser.
Okay.
About the same. It's actually, this one's closer to the control. So I think this one actually ended up being better than this one.
So, still
maybe even thicker.
Wow. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking it looked pretty thicker.
And then,
pretty thicker. Whatever. Wow. That is your probiotics, baby. That is
so that means
your
you're gonna have
poo.
Runny poo. You're gonna have a bathroom nearby.
So that just shows you, and we were gonna give it 8 hours, but it didn't even need 8 hours. But that just shows you how quickly
Like 4 hours.
this works. So, Clay, what do you think?
It's definitely. I think the enzymes are definitely gonna help break down food.
Awesome. Thank you.